Ntate Shali, please give us a brief overview of the potential of tourism in Lesotho.
The potential of tourism in this country is exceptional, in the sense that Lesotho has been referred to as a sleeping giant in the tourism industry. I would say we have the highest altitude, which automatically translates into the cleanest air, probably on the continent. Most of our tourism attractions here are dormant natural attractions that have not been protected and haven't been visited before from a touristic point of view. So I guess in the next couple of years, a lot needs to be done in terms of really bringing tourists into untapped territories. The lowest point in Lesotho stands at over 1,000 feet high, while the highest peak, Tabanentlenyane, is slightly over 3,500 feet high. We've got the longest single drop waterfall on the continent here in Lesotho, Malutsunyane Falls. And just at that falls, you can do the longest abseil in the world. So primarily, those are some of the main features. Although features like the ski resort, only one of its kind in Lesotho. There's only two in Southern Africa. So I'd say really the altitude plays a major role. When a tourist leaves our country, the biggest experience that they'll take with them is having been through a perfect balance of nature and urban life. Besides that, the cultural richness of the Basotho people, the friendliness that we have here, is really what makes us stick out from the rest of the world.
Lesotho is mainly made up of Basotho and a few foreigners, expatriates from overseas, and our brothers from the rest of Africa. There are two main languages in Lesotho, two official anyway, English and Sesotho. The medium of instruction in schools is English and Sesotho. The population, the Basotho, are made up of a number of clans, with the Bakwena being the royal clan. There are a few useful phrases that a tourist would like to learn before coming to Lesotho, like Dumela, that will be good morning, good afternoon. Sala Hantle, goodbye. Ophela jwang, how are you? The most important of them all, Ke a leboha, that is thank you. Tourists should come to Lesotho because first and foremost, we are a very peaceful and accommodating nation. Everywhere you go, you'll hear Dumela, Ntate, hello sir, and it will be said with a very wide smile.